high output 6 LED reverse lights, quick disconnect air fittings, night vision video camera for backup, and an additional high output LED reverse light. Because this truck has got a lot of gear on it, it was important to reduce weight. So we removed the steel cable that was on his winch 9.5 XP and swapped it out with Viking synthetic line. This literally shaves 70 pounds off the front of the truck and added strength to the winch line. Not all of Cam's escapades are in the woolly winter. He likes to be out in the summertime in the Southwest. So we installed an awning to give him a little bit of shade. Last but not least, with the help of a local vinyl wrap artist and Cam's graphic artist, we help arrange for this kick-ass wrap on this truck.